What's up everyone, and welcome to you on the MOONCHARTS YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing very well as always, and today we're going to update the possible next move we're going to get on Bitcoin, as we have done in the last update. You know, from the first red box here, or the first green box by the way here, we got our rise and we took the high once more for a possible wave 5 top down. Now of course I'm going to turn the wave because the RSI and some other stuff don't really match with this, but this waves absolutely played perfectly, so that's pretty cool, not gonna lie. So now I'm just going to remove everything here what we planned in the last update and show you all the different possibilities. We'll have two different possibilities. It's really here at the moment really decisive, 50-50 for another push to the upside, a big push to the upside, or another move to the downside. Okay, it's really 50-50 here. We're in a place where we have to see what we're going to decide. We need some time here, but we have to plan the next move. So I'm going to take the wave 4 bottom here. Why? Simply because the RSI say the wave 4 bottom is here. Okay, if you go on the 4 where is the low? The low is here. Okay, so we take the bottom in that case on the low that the RSI say. So here we'll have two configurations. Okay, I'm gonna take first by the way the wave 5 top on this top right here. And now the thing is, we'll have to count all of this. So what can that be here? What can that be? It can be simply the main, the main idea for the moment is this. So W, X and Y, what we plan, you know, here by the way with VIPs on the Discord server. Again, that's a very super bullish move, but again we have also the possibility of being done with a wave 5 top on that top, and so now in that case we're going to retrace with a double XY. In that double XY here, okay, so we have done the Y leg but with an A BC flat. That's why we took the high once more, as you can see here. So double XY right there, but the Y finish here. Okay, so we have an A B C flat into the Y leg. So bam, A B C flat. So we have a correction, and then we'll have a 5 ways. Very complex but still possible to trade with a nice swing foot pound on top right there. And so from here I'm just gonna remove change the color of this so we can get something a bit better. Gonna add this as some small gray, like this should be good. And so from here, if we still drop it next, what we can be here, what we can be, it's simply a bigger double XY. So here let's go with this W X and a Y. Okay, so here we'll have two configurations. Wave 5 top is in, or the big bullish scenario we also plan with the APs 1, 2, 3 or 5. Okay, it's really decisive. Okay, here it's a very important moment again to see if we're going to retrace directly or if we're going to push higher. Okay, if we retrace, what we can look for is simply a bigger wave 1, okay, a bigger wave to retracement, and a bigger wave 3, 4, 5 next. Okay, now if we manage to push higher, what we can take is the wave 1, this wave 1 to later. I'm just going to change the template here so you can see a bit better here what I'm talking about. Bam, right here. So bigger wave 1 in that case, bigger wave to retracement with of course a bigger correction here than the double XY. Okay, so bigger, boom, W X Y or ABC flat. Okay, so in that case ABC flat, so A right here, B 123 and 27, or 90% for a regular flat, and then bam, C wave to the downside to reach, as always, the wave to have 73% chance to retrace between the 50 and the 6,166% right here. So between the two green, the green fib here and the 6,166%, have 73% chance to go there. Now of course if you're super bullish next, we can absolutely retrace only 31. So for example, do a swing fib pound that low. Okay, something to be aware of. Now if we have to make the super bullish move, that is the bearish plan really for a for the low time frame where we are already in the wave to here, or as always it can be absolutely a 5 ways correction, 5 ways for an A B C zigzag. Okay, but this I'm not going to cover this now, just to give you the context for the moment. Now, so yeah, this is the first configuration, but again this is not the most probable. We can absolutely be in the second one too. What is the second one? It's simply, so I'm just gonna add the waves here really quickly so I can see a bit better what I'm talking about here. Bam, double XY. We can of course hear some crazy stuff in the Y leg here, but anyway, we can look for a bigger wave 5. Okay, in that case what we can take here is simply a wave 1. Okay, right here, bam, a wave 1, yep, a wave to retracement, okay, a wave 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to show you what target and what price we can reach if we're in this configuration. Okay, we'll have to play with both scenarios. Now we are in between, we are between the top and between the lows, so it's a good place to look for trades. It's better to look for longs here than for short, but again, we are in a wave 5. We can absolutely be in this configuration. The wave 5 can be done. We can absolutely retrace from here, so really be careful with your trades. Do not overtrade. As always, you risk maximum 2%, and this is you risk 2% when you're pretty sure about the context, when you know what you're doing, when you know what is really the next move, because you're really sure about your wave here. Are you sure about the wave? No, so risk a lot less than 2% of your whole account. Okay, that's very important to do this. Yeah, so anyway, double XY here as always. In the way that here we can do, for example, here a double XY X and Z. We can do, for example, double XY X and Z here. We can do, for example, an A B C flat, if that's to be, because yeah, that's a scam price we have on the low. So A B C flat, for example. We can do a triangle, so A B C D E triangle, and then make the weight 3 or 5, for example. We can do all of these configurations right there. Yeah, that's a ton of configuration clearly we have here. Okay, but anyway, so if we have to be in this configuration, as always, a wave 2 have 73% chance to retrace between the 50 and the 6,186% right here. Okay, so 50, 6,186%, bam, wave 2 in the price we went clearly right here. And so from here you can try to bet on the long. Again, I'm packing this here, but it's very, 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 very risky to do, okay, because we're in a wave 5, it can be into, and so now we can absolutely drop from here and look for the bigger wave to retracement, okay. So yeah, very, very, really be careful with that. If you want to put it with a swing long, that's very, very, very risky. Yeah. So in that case, just to show you the price we can reach in case that the low, okay, in case we have to push out directly, just want to show you the possible price we can reach here. So extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top to the wave 2 bottom. As always, if you want to get some more details about the wave 3 targets, all of this, do not hesitate to go and watch at the course on the website. It's a free course. You have all of the very, very base and even more. By the way, we have the ABC zigzag, ABC flat course for free on the website for Elliott Wave. So you have the base of Elliott Wave, how it works, everything, the Fibonacci. So what targets to use with the wave 3, what targets to use with the wave 5, how to place the extension tool, how to place the retracement tool for impulsive and correction wave, by the way, everything. And then you start your learning from with the patterns, so ABC flat and ABC zigzag. If you want to get, of course, more, it's for the apprentice and VIPs. But anyway, you can already start your learning absolutely for free, and you have a very, very strong course, to be honest with you, on the website already. So anyway, bam, wave 3, 1618 more most common targets, 1618 here. If I've done the low, if I'm taking the kit, I've done the low just to show you. Then 31 to retracement, and then we can look for the 120 extension of the wave 5. Okay, so 120 extension here, as you can see. So this will bring us around, as you can see here at the end, 30k if we're in this configuration. And if we do the more likely wave, of course, keep in mind that the wave 3 can retrace and can stop on the 120 extension. It's possible, but we only have 2% chance to stop here. So we think about this. No, okay, the most probable is to go minimum to the 1618. So we think about the most probable targets. Okay, but anyway, so this is the price in that case we should reach at the end if we do not swing through upon the top. In that case, that will be 29,000. So that's pretty cool already. Okay, so yeah, 2 configuration I'm looking for right now on Bitcoin: bigger impulsive or wave 5 top is done. Okay, and so now we look in that case for some bigger triple correction, A, B, C flat, or double XY next, a bigger one to reach minimum 3.2 normally here, and normally we'll have even more chance to go between the 50 and the 6.86% right here, okay, to make a bigger wave. Bam, wave 1, wave 2, and a wave 3, 4, 5, or as always, an A, B, C zigzag. Okay, so A, B, C zigzag. It's also a possibility here. Yeah, so this is what I'm looking for right now. If you have some questions, really feel free to drop some comments down below. As always, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel to turn on notifications. This is very, very, very important. And if you want to get, by the way, a good broker where you can trade and get some bonus, you can go and check out PRIMEXBT. You can get up to $7,000 bonus just by making a deposit. So you make a deposit, you can get up to $7,000 just by making a deposit. It's pretty crazy. And of course, by doing this, you of course also support the channel. So really feel free to have the link in the description. You just have to create an account with the link, go and in your email and verify your account. Once you have done it, go in the promo code section, pass the code you have in the description, activate, and boom, you will get your deposit bonus up to $7,000. If you want to get another platform, you can also get on BitGet. This is what I'm using with PRIMEXBT here. So go on BitGet, you can also find the link in the description. You can get some bonus here. So while trading, you have all the details below here. Okay, but anyway, that's all for me for today. So hope you enjoyed. And yeah, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel to turn on notifications. Very, very important. I'm just gonna stay for now on the bigger time frame for you with you on the YouTube channel, because the low time frame remains for VIPs. We'll have some different possibilities here. But that's the plan right now. So anyway, have a brilliant day. As I say, take care of you. And if you want to get 5 reasons to learn Elliott Wave, do not hesitate to watch at the last video I have done here. So normally you should get this on the screen, somewhere on the screen. And otherwise you can go on the main page of the current YouTube channel and check out the last update. Okay, in the last video. So yeah, these are the top 5 of the top 5 reasons to learn Elliott Wave. Clearly, why you should learn Elliott Wave in 2023. So yeah, do not hesitate to go and check this out. To smash a like, to subscribe to the channel. But anyway, have a brilliant day. Take care and see you all in the next one. Cheers.